Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome to a brand new video. Today I have 3 DIY Christmas gift ideas that are really fun and easy to make. They are fun to use and I think people will really want and use and enjoy. While you are watching, let me know if you were to get one of these as a gift from someone, which one would you most like to receive?
And the first DIY gift idea is making a Christmas blanket. Grab some cozy soft fleece from Hobby Lobby, Joann's, even Walmart if you find one you like there. So I used about 2 yards for this blanket I'm making today, but since it's not very large, this one is a better size for maybe a pet or for a child. I would recommend using 2 yards of material for each side. You can do one side with one pattern and then one side with a solid color or with a different pattern. Also did a football themed tie blanket years ago as well as a Christmas gift for Mike, our first Christmas together. We've now been married 12 years and we've been together for 15. Oh my gosh, does the time pass. So now to make this, line up your material with one square on top and the other one on the bottom, and you're going to want to make sure that the side of the material that you want the outsides facing out, and then basically, the side that you want to be the inside portion that won't be visible. You want to make sure that both of those inside pieces are facing inward to each other. And then we're going to go ahead and cut about a 5-inch square out of each corner. This is going to create basically the corners of our blanket now. And then we can cut along the edges, and basically we're going to cut strips into the, basically making a fringe, 5-inch long pieces of fringe basically that are about 1 inch to 1.5 inches wide or so. And then we can tie these together. You're simply going to take the top and the bottom piece together and just kind of loop them around your finger and pull that end through the loop just like this. And then just continue doing that all the way around. That's all there is to it. Really easy and fun to make, and definitely something you can do while you watch a video, listen to some music, catch up on your favorite show. And Kimchi is totally obsessed with this blanket. So originally I was thinking of adding it to our outdoor sofa as some fun and festive Christmas decor possibly, but now I think I might just have to make this as a Christmas gift to Kimchi the Min Pin because he loves it so much. It's become his new favorite spot to sit, sleep, play in, lay in, bury his bones in. He's obsessed. But seriously, you can customize this with any theme or sport or holiday print. And so I think most people can use a blanket in the wintertime. And of course, I think most people can use a blanket in the wintertime anyway, which just makes this a perfect DIY Christmas gift idea for pretty much anyone of any age. For the next one, I picked up some glass ornaments on sale in Michael's, but I will put a link to a set of them on Amazon in the description box as well. I will also add links for the glass paints that I'm going to be using today now. And you can make some really simple designs that look fantastic and just sparkle beautifully in your Christmas tree. So 2 easy design options are doing larger and smaller round bubble designs around the ornament. And I did them with this more opaque glass paint, and then I fill it in with some of the stained glass, more transparent or translucent type colored glass paints. So I did red and green on this one, but honestly, I think any color would be beautiful. You could even go all out and do a rainbow of colors on here for a really spectacular looking Christmas ornament. Or another idea is doing a simple leaf or floral design. And I just outlined this one with some pearl outline paint instead of the gold one. And I used 2 different shades of green to fill in the design. And then don't forget to spray paint your ornament toppers as well to coordinate with whatever colors you're using in your ornament. Make the whole thing coordinate and tie together. You can even use some nice velvet ribbon to create an ornament hanger at the top. This DIY Christmas gift idea is so clever and classy, so customizable, and just easy and fun to do. It would be really fun for a girls' craft night, for a Christmas party, DIY a Christmas party craft idea, or even for an ornament gift gift exchange as well. So let me know, what kind of design would you make on here? Do you like the bubbles? Do you like doing maybe a floral design or the leaf design or something completely different? I would love to hear any tips or suggestions you have for other fun ideas for some simple designs for these DIY Christmas ornaments. Next up are a couple options for DIY Christmas candy bouquets. For the first one, I made this using a Dollar Tree coffee mug, and I just placed a piece of styrofoam down inside the mug and then used a glue gun on low heat to attach wooden skewer sticks to the backs of the candy bars. I picked these up in Dollar Tree as well, and I've just got longer chocolate bar pieces like these turtles that I'm using for the center so that they stick up taller, they stand up taller in the center, and then around them we're going to do a lower level of candies. And for that, I broke the sticks in half, and you can do, in this case, I'm doing smaller Kit Kat bars around the bottom, and this is actually really cost effective because I think you get 5 of these smaller candy bars in just a single pack in Dollar Tree. I also had one of these adorable snowmen little topper picks. I don't know what this is for, but it was from Dollar Tree, and I only have one of them, although I honestly think that you got 2 of them in the pack. So I stuck that in the center, and I think it fits so cute. This is incredibly sweet and adorable. It's super budget friendly as well because everything is from Dollar Tree, and I love the red, white, and gold theme of this one. I think it looks super classy and would make a great Christmas gift idea. Now, if you wanted to spend a little bit more on your candy bouquet, you could pick up a more fancy or unique Christmas mug like this one I got in Williams-Sonoma, and Target, Walmart, and Home Goods all have really great options as well in like the $5 price range for holiday mugs if you didn't want to spend quite as much as a store like Williams-Sonoma would be. But plenty of options out there. There is something for everyone. And if you want to, we can do here like a bigger selection of candy, especially if you're not sure what someone likes. So on the last one, I was trying to go with more of a specific color theme with the red, white, and gold wrappers basically, but for this one, let's just have fun, do a variety of all different candies, make it truly more of a DIY Christmas candy bouquet. I think this one would be really fun to give to coworkers, teachers, neighbors, honestly, even kids. You can do a whole assortment of different candies, which I think kids would really enjoy all the different types of candy, and I think adults will enjoy getting a nice coffee or tea mug with this gift as well. But if you want to really splurge on these DIY candy bouquets, check out the huge one I did in a cardboard box a number of years ago. It turned out incredible, and that video is honestly one of my most watched videos here on my channel, so I'm going to put a link for it up top here now. And one last idea would be to consider rolling up dollar bills, and you could do this literally in any amount of dollar bills actually, and just use a little bit of tape and attach them on those wooden skewers as well, and you can add rolls of cash into your candy bouquet as well. So that would definitely be a way to up the dollar value and make this DIY candy bouquet or Christmas candy bouquet an extra fun, special, and more valuable Christmas gift idea. One other Christmas gift idea would be some DIY coasters, and I will have the link for how I made these at the end of this video as well.
Again, let me know which one of these DIY Christmas gift ideas was your favorite. Give this video a thumbs up, a like if you enjoyed it. Consider subscribing before you go. I would love to have you. And as always, I'm just wishing you a beautiful and blessed day, a very happy Thanksgiving, a Merry Christmas, and a blessed holiday season. And I will see you all soon in a new video. Bye.